Today we bring to you a video that's about using Todoist for managing your grocery shopping and related lists. So this has been something that's been working really well for us for many years. That's why we thought of doing a video about this. So in this video, we look at how to use this app or website or tool called Todoist, which is pretty much used popularly for managing to-do lists, and they're called as Todoist. So using these applications, you can manage your entire grocery shopping experience. You can manage your in stock, out of stock. You can organize all the things that you usually purchase, and it generally makes your whole shopping experience really seamless. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, let me quickly show what Todoist is. So Todoist is a to-do list application which lets you manage your to-do list, your projects, and a lot of other things as well. It has got different themes. So as you can see, this uses a light theme, but I have been using a dark theme. But in the light theme as well, pretty much everything looks the same. It is highly customizable. You can attach tags, you can have different categories, you can have different board views. So there's a lot you can do. That's something for you to explore. So this is how the web version of it looks like. It's got an iOS version as well. It also comes with a very good mobile application version. So it makes it easy for you to check things off, check things on when you're on the go as well. The mobile application looks something like this, but it again can be customizable. You can add dates, prioritize it. It has got a calendar view. It has got a list view. It's got a board view. So we'll touch all of those shortly. So in a nutshell, that's what Todoist is. And this use case that we're going to share today is all about tweaking that to use it for your grocery management. So I'll jump straight into it. So this is my Todoist dashboard. So on the left, you'll see all the typical projects. One of the projects is the shopping list. So we'll just zoom in on that. So in the shopping list project, you can see is different swim lanes. So these are for different category of items or different stores that you usually purchase things from. So I've got Costco, I've got Bunnings, Aldi, Kohl's, Indian stores, Chemist Warehouse, which is a pharmacy, Office Works, which is for stationery, Kmart, which is for ordinary miscellaneous home goods. So these are all organized into different swim lanes. So in Todoist, you have a view option where you can change and toggle between list view, which is pretty much a top-down waterfall sort of list where you have things in a specific order. You can jump into a board view, and also if you attach dates to every task, you can also use a calendar view. You can assign assignees, so you can have all your family members involved in this grocery management as well, and you can assign specific category or specific tasks to each family member, which is a great idea. You can set due dates so that if there's something urgent, you'll know how to prioritize that. Another way to prioritize is by using the priority, where you can attach a high, medium, low priority. You can also add labels for better searching and things like that. But in an overview, these are the different categories that you can have. You can also add unlimited number of multiple categories here. This is what I've used in my sort of use case. So all the things that are required to be purchased go in these vertical boards as a starting point. Once you have all your items in the catalog that you regularly use, then as and when you go on to shopping, you can check them off. And you can see all the things that are in stock as checked, and all the things as out of stock will be unchecked. So as and when you buy, you check them off. As and when they get perished or finished, you uncheck them and bring them back to your shopping list. You can see all of your shopping items at once in this space. You can see dates if you have a particular date added and if you purchase something on a specific date, but I typically keep dates out of it. I just keep it simple by in stock or out of stock. Another thing we often use is this attachment bar, where you can click on that to see a photo of the actual item. So since in this case it's fruit jam, since there are so many different brands, so if multiple people are doing the shopping, it makes it easier to see the actual picture of the product and the pricing. So that makes it easier, and you have all that information at a single place. Todoist is cloud backed up, so you have an almost immediate synchronization that happens behind the scene. So all of that is backed up in the cloud. You don't have to worry about losing any of these. And it is available on your mobile, on your iPad, on your browser. So wherever you want to consume this from, you can typically use that. If you don't want to see the items that are in stock, you can go ahead and uncheck the completed task. So it just shows you whatever is not in stock. So that's another quick tip. Adding a task adding an item is very easy. As you've seen, you can attach different priorities to it. You can add a date to it. It also takes smart dates. So for example, buy biscuits tomorrow. So if you go in and add buy biscuits tomorrow, it automatically picks it up and assigns a date. You can even move that date with one click. So there's a lot of flexibility in playing around with how to use this. So in a nutshell, that's how you can totally manage your entire shopping and grocery shopping list using this application. And I've been using this for more than a year, and it's our go-to for this particular use. You can even use this for many other use cases, which if you are interested, I can do another video on. But for now, hope you have found this useful and you're able to try this out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.